What's up guys, Caleb here, Caleb's Property Maintenance, and welcome back to our third and final video from our trip to Colorado to Walker Manufacturing. I am super excited about this video that you're about to see. We had a blast touring the factory. Check out the previous videos if you haven't done that yet. But now we got to go outside the factory and we got to do what I think is the most fun. That's drive the machines. So without further ado, I'm going to toss it back to Colorado and I want you guys to check it out. I know this video is special for our family and hopefully you will see why in just a sec. So without further ado, let's toss it back to Colorado. Alright, you ready guys? Here we go. You can give it just a little bit more and you'll have it. Up.
Oh, because it won't start.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Caleb.
You know.
let her do it all by herself.
Oh yeah?
Yep. The keys under your leg.
Yeah. I don't know.
What kind of
That wheelchair.
Yeah, I don't think you'd have to have the right.
just let me stop.
Alright, we'll let you stop and think about it. We'll let you think about it.
Thing here.
Yeah.
Oh, good. Oh, good.
So go and take the red and you're going to push that back. So just put your hand on there and pull it back.
Oh, that's the brake. Okay, but it's on and then we do the brake.
Okay, good. So now I'm going to have you do something that's going to feel weird at first. Leave your left hand on your leg. Put your right hand here on the clutch control. Now just push that forward just a little bit. Okay? Push it forward a little bit. Keep going. There's a little bit more. Okay, keep going just a little bit more. They see them. The machine's driving forward all along. Okay, you don't have to do anything to make it go forward. So just move this a little bit more. So now put your left hand on the levers. Pull back on the left hand. A little bit more there now. So see, it's moving. It's not going to respond as fast because we're going a little slower. Okay?
Yeah, it works better if we go faster.
So now grab both of them and go straight. You can speed it up a little bit. So just push this forward a little bit more. There you go. Good.
Now remember, there's no forward motion on those two levers. So go down a lighter row. Go down a lighter row. A lighter row.
Well, I thought I should just turn around.
No, we want you to go down.
So, can you feel the deck kind of moving a little bit?
Yeah.
It's kind of, that's the deck falling around constantly.
Slow the speed a little bit. Slow the speed.
Up there and let her fly.
There you go. Yeah, you can really feel that. Zipping through here. You're really zipping through here. Pretty fast.
Pull up on this lever. You're gonna feel the blades underneath. Just go and pull it.
she's doing it with ease.
center of gravity on this machine. I kind of can stick to the hill. However, I can turn around, come back and mow. I can go up and down. Again, because of the center of gravity and how we're so low to the ground, it actually gives you a little bit better stability on hills. These tires obviously help a lot too, because they give you a little bit more traction as you go.
Did you get them, Caleb?
I don't know if you would. I don't know if you want to at
Probably
first.
not,
If
yeah.
you're not doing a lot of this stuff, you probably don't want it.
Probably
You
not.
got to be more careful when you turn, because you can tear things up a little bit more. Whereas the tires that she has on there,
They're
right?
turf tires.
Turf tires are going to be better.
Yeah, they
For
don't
just
have-
regular turf.
Yeah. I mean,
So one of the other things too in a walker mower is you can shift your weight. So because where I'm on the uphill side, you're gonna want a lot of weight up here, because if you have your weight down here, right? So you can actually shift yourself, and that's what's nice about having a deck out front. You can position yourself where you need to, so that your weight is where you need to be when you're actually mowing. So that'll help you stay on a hill.
Well, there you guys have it. As you could see, I got to film from the very beginning, my mom's first moments on the mower, all the way up until she was mowing and even going around the edges, how she was. Obviously she wasn't flying around, but that's just not her to begin with. But I was still thoroughly impressed. If you just look at her underneath that pavilion and then her out mowing, the difference in just that short amount of time. And that was honestly her very first time on the mower. And I believe that totally proves what Walker says, and that is that it's easier for women to operate the mower than men, because they have a little bit more finesse and control with their fingers, because it is really touchy on those two little levers there than men do. So that totally proves that, and I knew I had to get Mom on the mower because I do get in situations every once in a while where it would be kind of nice to have Mom be able to mow. So that's going to be so awesome. Once I get the mower, then we can have that flexibility. Also, another thing that Mom was super happy about was the fact that Tom so expertly showed her how to work the machine. She just said over and over how much she appreciated Tom's approach in handling someone who had never driven the machine. So super thankful, Tom. Thank you so much. I know us as a family appreciate you so much, and just thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Also, I will add that weekend was also special to us because the next day after we did that factory tour and everything, they had a hymn sing on the property outside. There was about 1,200 people there, and those of you guys that do go to church or are any bit familiar, you guys know what hymns are. It's songs that are sung at church, and I love singing hymns. Our family likes singing hymns, and so it was just a very special weekend for us all the way around. And so I'll throw up some pictures from that. I didn't get any footage from that. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. I got another cool video coming up, and then hopefully sometime soon I can show you guys the mower in my driveway. That's gonna be so special. Alright guys, we'll talk to you soon.